Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Binance US. First, log into your account using your verified credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which is typically found in the top menu or bottom navigation. From there, you will select the Withdraw option. This initial step is crucial for accessing your funds and deciding whether you want to withdraw traditional currency or digital assets. For fiat withdrawals, Binance US offers two primary methods: ACH bank transfers and wire transfers. ACH transfers are generally free of charge, making them a popular choice. However, wire transfers may incur a fee of $25. If you are withdrawing cryptocurrency, you will need to provide a valid external wallet address and select the correct blockchain network. Be aware that crypto withdrawals have varying network fees, depending on the asset and network chosen. Several important factors influence your withdrawal experience. Your account's verification level directly affects your daily withdrawal limits. Fully verified users can withdraw up to $1 million via wire transfer. Processing times also vary. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days, while wire transfers usually complete within 1 to 2 business days. Additionally, a 7-day hold is placed on funds from ACH deposits before they can be withdrawn, ensuring financial security. To finalize your withdrawal, always double-check all details, including the recipient address and amount, before confirming. You will also need to complete two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, monitor your transaction history within Binance US to track the status of your withdrawal. Fiat withdrawals can take several business days, while crypto withdrawals usually process faster, often within minutes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.